When darkness fades, the ancient light returns. Each dawn rekindles the soul of the empire.
In silence, Angkor breathes again. The stones remember. Every mark in Serun, a heartbeat from the past.
Kings may fall, but their breath lingers here. Faith built what time could not destroy. Each step echoes 1,000 prayers.
He walks not alone. The crown, the gods walk beside him. Time bends before beauty eternal.
Even water carries the whispers of kings. Centuries pass, the reflection remains. Their eyes still guard the dawn. Silent aho, yet unyielding. Through fire, rain, and empire's fall dimini, they endure. The jungle breathes with the ruins. Listen closely, Irvine. The heart still beats.
Once the heart of kings, now the soul of Cambodia.
Light paints what words cannot say.
Every shadow tells a sacred story.
The sun bows to the temple of light. Their victories carved in eternal silence. Power fades, but memory does not. Their whispers still echo through the halls. Majesty, painted by the dying sun. Every tower, a crown of light.
Light fades on the three, but glory remains.
Night crowns what day has built. Heaven bows to the temple of man. Empires fall, but light endures forever.